A lot of times people use a 55-gallon drum to burn materials in. The problem with a 55-gallon drum is that it only has one air intake source. Now DR, the people who are famous for the DR chipper, they came up with a burn cage. It's basically a stainless steel cage that has a bunch of holes in it. Instead of having the one air source up top, you're getting an airflow through all the sides. The only problem with this burn cage is it's over $300. So today we're going to take a 55-gallon drum and a plasma cutter and knock a bunch of holes in it and make our own. Come to find out, you don't get a YouTube play button until you get at least 100,000 subscribers. So I took the plasma cutter and made one myself.